Hello Aquarius, thanks for coming for your chakra healing session for the month of March. Joy, it's nice to have you back here again, and for those of you who are new, it's nice to meet you. At this moment, I call on the Divine Mother, Creator of all things, my healing angel, my healing angels, to use me as the divine channel to figure out any imbalances, weaknesses, or misalignments within your chakra energy centers. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm going to pull your cards. I'm going to pull the clarifiers. Okay. Okay, so my Aquarians, it looks like this month you have issues with your 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th chakra here. It is a lack of belief in self, and you not being able to tap into your own intuition to bring forth miracles into your life, or whatever you desire that you want to put your willpower towards. You have to apply your intuition and to go with the cycles of the moon and have that understanding that everything is connected when it comes to manifesting things, that things go through the cycles. And also, you know, you have to come from a place of truth and integrity within yourself by tapping into your higher spirit and higher self. That's what I'm seeing that's going on with your 3rd chakra. For the 4th chakra, I feel like there may have been some loss, some financial loss, or someone that you were connected to that was helping you with finances or your survival, and you lost the person. Or it could be that you're spending a lot of, finances, and you're worried about your stability to the point that it makes you feel bad. But it could also be that you spent, you're grieving about so much money that you've put into, probably like a funeral for some of you. And you're just worried about how you're gonna survive for some of you, and it causes you that much intense, worry. I also feel like you're not opening up your heart to other possibilities. And I feel like some of it comes from self-deception. Maybe maybe you believe that you're okay, or you don't need anything, but then that's like in opposition to you worrying about money. So it could be that you're deceiving yourself that there could be so many other things that you could do, or it could be that you're not paying attention to what else you could do to help you feel good about yourself. You don't listen to your heart when it tells you that there are other ways that you can bring, stability into your home, or bring some finances into your home. That's what I'm getting for the heart space. Now for the fifth chakra, it seems like you are not accepting, you're on a quest, okay, to create a change or bring some things that you want in your life, or to change the type of person that you are. It looks like for most of you it's about romance. You may be falling in love with someone or going after a lover, and you're finding it hard to take the good with the bad, that this situation or this person has their flaws too, because somehow you set your standards with the community and how they perceive people. Like, for instance, you're talking to your friends and they probably tell you who the type of person that is perfect for you, or who you should be going out with, and you set your standards surrounding what the community thinks or what society vision of a perfect partner is. Also, I feel like you're so wrapped up in this relationship or this person that you want, that you go out a lot and you neglect your kids or people that need your attention, all in the quest of finding this love and bringing this love into your life. That's all I'm getting for that side. Now for the sixth chakra, you're a bit confused about who you are and trying to find out what brings you joy and happiness, okay? But that is making you feel scatterbrained, okay? Like you don't even want to connect with your own higher self to guide you, like the same situation with the third chakra here. Instead of embracing, the higher aspect of you and working on speaking your truth and, starting to understand the type of person you are in relationships and the type of person you want to attract, you are just confused by it. Instead of doing that, working on that and facing the mystery, the mysterious aspect of yourself, you're rather not doing anything. You're not tapping into that aspect at all. You're closing yourself off any message that may be coming, any wisdom that may be coming to you. And also, I feel like for some of you, the fact that you want to be happy and heal any wounds, like for instance, if there is a grieving situation here, if you want to heal all those things, it has made you not want to do anything. So you're not connecting with yourself. You don't want to hear any guidance or get any wisdom. Stopping yourself from facing certain truth about yourself by not responding, like not wanting to do anything. Because I guess your focus is all about going after this love relationship at this moment. And even that is questionable because, you may be deceiving yourself. That there might be so many opportunities or so many, like maybe you have so many suitors. But that may not even be the case here. That may not be entirely true. It may be a form of self-deception. Anyway, let's move on from what's wrong and finally go into the healing session, okay? So I'm going to start pulling the healing cards and then we can move on here. Alright. My healing angels, Divine Mother, please give me the healing information for the Aquarians, for their 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th chakra here. Thank you so much. Okay. Alright. I'm also gonna go ahead and pull the gemstones. Okay. Please give me the crystals that may help in aiding this healing. Thank you so much. Okay, so my Aquarians, for the 3rd chakra, the Divine Goddess wants you to start relying on yourself. Say what you say you're gonna do. If you tell other people you're gonna do something, actually do it. Spend a lot of time listening to music. Burn some candles and calm your energy down so you can tap into your own intuition easily. That's the message that I have for the 3rd chakra. Excuse me. And also it will help you when you play music to fall in the flow and the rhythm of the universe and how things flow with you. You become more in tune with your energies and when to act and when not to act and all that stuff, which is still connected to the cycles of the moon in a way, and listening to your intuition and, you know, and having clearer understanding to all that. The selenite is the crystal that you need for the 3rd chakra to help you. For the 4th chakra, you have to control your thoughts and the things that are coming to you. Control your emotions. Put them in check. Understand which ones are speaking to your higher self and for your overall good. And for you also to be in touch with your authentic self. And to find peace and love within yourself also. You're asked to get the rose quartz for the heart space. Okay. So for the 5th chakra, you have to rest. Rest. Take good naps. Drink a lot of water. Eat good food. Eat your fruits and vegetables to replenish yourself. And the sleeping is very important to replenish your soul and to relax your mind. When it comes to this quest, you know, of this love and all this stuff, remove yourself from all the busyness and all the things that are going on. Take your nice hot baths and just chill. And let go. The watermelon tourmaline is a crystal that you need to help you with this love situation and for you to accept what is all of this person that you are desiring. For the 6th chakra, you're asked to receive healing. You need to open up to your guides, your higher selves, your archangels, spirit guides, and ask them to heal this situation that makes you so fearful and shut off to your own spiritual guidance. whatever is causing you to want to tear your hair out and, you know, be confused and not want to act, ask them to bring healing to you. You're asked to get the lithium quartz to further guide you here and open you up to receive healing. Okay, so you can start by opening up with my healing, and then you can go ahead with the rest. Okay, so let's just get into a receptive mode and prepare ourselves to receive this healing. My Aquarians, thank you so much. I need you to bring your, you know, attention to your navel area, your solar plexus, your stomach area, and prepare yourself to receive this healing. All right, okay. All right. Okay, here you go. Okay. Bring your attention to your heart space, your chest area, and prepare yourself to receive. Alright, my Aquarians. Alright, here you go for your heart space. Okay. Now please bring your attention to your throat chakra, around your neck, and prepare yourself to receive the healing, my Aquarians. Okay, here you go. Alright, now please bring your attention to your forehead so you can allow yourself to start feeling happy and start healing. To your forehead, in between your brows, and for you to open up your spirit door. Alright, my Aquarians, here you go. Alright, thank you so much, my dear Aquarians. I'm happy you were here. I hope you sort things out and everything goes well. Alright, I'll see you next month. Here you go. Bye.